Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day, so that means a different palette. Today we're going to be working with the Amber x 9 eyeshadow palette by MAC. This is just a very cool tone palette. It has some browns, some beiges, just some very neutral tones. And I hope my camera is focusing on it. It's very neutral, so you may not be able to see it. This look is definitely going to be for my natural queens out there. You don't like lashes and all those colors on your eyelids, then this look is definitely for you. Again, this has 9 shades in it, and I think it retails for somewhere around $30. I think that there are cheaper and better neutral palettes on the market right now, so I won't recommend this to you guys. But it's not a bad palette by any means. MAC has some pretty good shadows, but it is kind of expensive for what you get. But without further ado, let's get right on into this look. Okay, so like I said earlier, this look is going to be really easy. I'm dipping into the first shade, which is going to be Georgia Peach, which is most definitely a brown shade, so I don't know why they call it Georgia Peach, because peaches are like peach, they're orange. But whatever, we're going to take that with my Morphe M535 brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my transition zone of my eye. And this doesn't have a mirror, so I'm going to have to pick up a mirror. Okay, so the next shade that I'm going to dip into is this deeper shade. It's called Aromatic, and it's this deep brown shade right here. I'm taking my M507 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to focus that on the V area right here. Lastly, I'm going to dip into this shade Please, which is like a brown shimmer shadow. I'm taking like this little flat, ooh, it's got hair on it. This flat brush from Shany Cosmetics that has the little eye applicator on it, because I'm going to spray this with Fix Plus and then put it on. Now with my 507, I'm just going to blend out the edges. I already have on mascara, so really this is it for the look. Like I said, it was going to be very easy, very simple for somebody who likes a very neutral glam look. I've had this palette for a very long time and I don't get much use out of it, so it was really neat to use it again after not using it for some years. But here is the look. And you compare this with a bolder lip just to add some pizzazz. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and are enjoying this series. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a video, which will be every day in the month of December. And with that, I will see you guys next video.